off-Broadway musical was written honoring the 1980s megastar, Tina Turner. Caroline Bednar and Cecily Chardin will be dancing to one of their favorites, I Can't Stand the Rain.
I can't stand the rain, I can't smile and know. Bringing back sweet memories.